Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to Susan Good TV. I'm here, guys, to show you how I made this hair. So, if you are interested to know how I made the hair, watch this video till the end. So, guys, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you all. I say, may God bless you for your endless support. So, guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. In this my channel is all about hair. Okay, so here is the extension I'm going to be using, and inside is two color. Okay, I'm going to remove the brown color, and I'm going to be using the gold color. All right, so after after I remove the color I don't want, the one I want, I'm going to be using one and a half. I have half a blonde before, so I'm going to add this to it. So after which I'll cut the extension into four, and I'm going to sew it. All right, I'm not going to use crochet. So I hope, I know most of you have seen how I sew my extension, so that is why I'm not bothering. So if you want to know how I sew it, I will drop the link in the description box. So you can, so you just watch and see how I sew my extension. So that's how I sewed it. So, and this is the ventilating I'm doing. I do it also, most of it behind the camera, because I didn't do it one day. Not that I can't finish it for one day. I'm a mother of three, and when I'm making the hair, I also have other things to do for my children. At times I have to go and pick them, so I will make it and leave it and come back and continue. So that is why I do most of it behind the camera. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit, and then I will start sewing. I don't want to ventilate much. I just want to do little. In case you don't know, I'm just taking just three to four strength of hair. I'm not taking much. All right. And also the other thing I did after sewing the hair with machine, so after sewing it, and I just put the hair in hot water, like I treated the hair before I start sewing it in my wig. So you will see the difference how it is. And another thing, in case you want to know what condition I used, I put cattle condition in hot water, then I put the hair in it. All right, that's to help the hair relax. Okay, so guys, I think that's all. Thank you so much, guys. Please help me to share this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment and tell me what you think. All right, and next time I'm going to be making another hair, but it's going to be I will sew it in the rope to show you guys, in case you want to make something like this but you don't have machine to sew it, how you can also do it without crochet. So how you can tie your hair to a thread, okay, before you sew it, to make it look more like woven. All right, guys, thank you so much for your support, and I say God bless you all, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much, and bye. You see, this is how I sew it. Okay, guys, just wash. I think there's not much to do. Okay, there's something also I forgot to say. um I used in the front is eyelashes, or the high mascara. Sorry, I use high mascara to achieve my color. Okay, and the reason I applied it first before I start using stretcher, that's because I have, you see the coils now. That's because I put the hair in the hot water, so no need for me to do it before. So if you are not putting your hair in the hot water before, like when you sew it, you want to put the hair, you want to put hot water on the hair like this. So you have to put the hot water first and everything before you put your mascara. If not, your mascara is going to wash off. Okay, so I put mine that way because I've already put the hair, I've already treated the hair, so I know I'm not going to be putting water. That is why I made it that way. All right, I hope I explained it very well. So anything you want to understand, maybe I didn't explain it well, just drop it in the comment section, and I promise I will reply you. Okay, thank you so much, and bye. Love you guys.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I C'est la vie. And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails.